Just the journey to get here. You want to be in the top 4. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races, Captain Vanover. We watched him. He's our reigning multi-GP national champion. And you heard a ringer dinger. That's a Malheureusement for Mr. Donuts, but pas dommage. It's not bad. Mr. Donuts hitting our start-finish gate, doubling back around, and he is going to be about 6th, 7th, now 6th in traffic. The first bad news coming in for Adma 20, well on the far side. I'm seeing some of that perimeter fencing, or as we call it back home in Canada, snow fencing. So bad news for him. They're dropping like flies. Bad news for Hyper FPV. There goes Captain Vanover, keeping that momentum from Reno, a 33.8. Then you got Cha, Super Koopa, 1, 2, 3. Who's in the number 4 spot? Looks like that is going to be Sonny FPV, but Mr. Donuts running 5th, caught up in a battle for the 4 or 5 with Sonny FPV. Then Ricky FPV in the number 6 spot. Everyone working on lap number 2 with Captain Vanover working his way, dropping down around into the high side of the tower here in a minute. And no, switch up. Cha got by Vanover at the spiral. So it's, and Super Koopa is in there as well. So through that tunnel goes Cha, then Super Koopa, then Captain Vanover. It's a battle for the 1, 2, 3 onto lap number 3. And now we still also have a battle in 4th. Let's bring up next around. It's going to be Sonny FPV battling with Ricky FPV for the battle for the 4 or 5 position. All of them having difficulty out on that far side, but Sonny ripping it on up into the number 4 position. We're getting ready to wave a checkered flag here for our first 3 as we get ready to finish up 4. There goes Vanover. There'll be 3 laps in 1:39. Cha in 2nd, Super Cooper in 3rd. They move up in our winner's bracket. And Mr. Donuts having some issues, but he'll be able to get across almost blind. But he is a lap back. He is not going to get 4th because Sonny FPV is going to knife edge in for 4th. 3 laps in 1:54 for Sonny FPV. So Captain Vanover, Cha, Super Koopa, Sonny FPV, they are in the winner's bracket moving up. Ricky FPV, Mr. Donuts, Adma 20, and Hyper FPV, you're in the consolation bracket or loser's bracket moving down.